Hello, Precious from Lecor Unique Tailoring Institute. We are going to look at Origami Vortex. We are putting this one on sleeve. You can make it on your bodies, you can make it on skirts, you can make it on pants, anyhow. Now remember, Vortex goes this way. It's like a circle, disappearing circle in there. Alright, so this one, the origami is what we are going to do is just to fold inside. See, as I'm drawing the line, see number 1, 2. You can do the style line the way you desire. Okay, so the next thing we are going to be putting the wedges, the triangle in those style lines. I'm using my cutter. You can use your scissors to cut it. Okay, this is where I want to put my triangle. Alright, see what I do and try to follow closely so that you get it correctly. Okay, now see what I do here. Mark that point. You can do 7 cm or 8 cm. Okay, what am I doing? I'm trying to make sure it's still the same measurement out there. Okay, so if I have that, and I have my triangle, it's about 7 to 8 cm here, and then maybe about 4 or 5 cm excess. It's just an excess, so I will cut it off. Okay, there, that's what I have. See my triangle, and I put it in between these two. Alright, this is the excess, so I'm going to tape it together. Okay, that's what I have, and I'll just draw back these lines. Why am I drawing the lines? So that it will be defined, and I'm sure where the lines were, so when I'm folding them it will be very easy. I always encourage all my students to draw the lines, do it exactly the way I do it, and because I'm going this way, I want to be folding it up there. Okay, so I'm going to fold it this way. And that is the excess. I'll have to cut off the excess. I need to cut it off. Like I said, you can use your ruler. I'm using my cutter here. You can use your scissors. Okay. So that's what I have for the first one. Now the second one go this way. Note that if I continue this line, it's falling right out on the V. Okay, it didn't go in here, because sometimes you may see something here and you'll be confused. So you draw out your straight line once again and do the same thing. Okay, so you see I have, that is number 2, so I have my triangle in there. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to tape it up, and then I'll fold it upwards again. This one is supposed to be covered this way. Okay, so you are going to do this. We are going to cut off here. Let me do that again. This is what I have, and I close this. The next one I should close this one. Okay, I shouldn't cut off just here and leave it there. Okay, because excess will come out there. But I need to take this up again. It makes it neater. You can actually stop here, but it's not the best. Okay, so we leave this one and then trim it off from there. So you are cutting off this, okay? If you have any crossing there and this your style line meets up, this is what you do. Always take it to the end and then here and then you go out there. Alright, so I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to put my triangle just the same way.
you okay?